Okay, we have a question here and it's going to be on circle theorem. So here's the question. So we've got a circle here, a midpoint. This angle here is 140 degrees and we've got to find out what that angle is, angle X. Okay, so the way to do this, okay, first of all you need to see what circle theorem we're going to use. So notice that this angle here, angle A, is subtended. So this is the angle and there's an arc underneath it, so it's called, the angle is subtended by this arc. Okay, so I've drawn it in a red line. But can you also see that this angle here, okay, so this one here is also subtended by the same arc. This angle is at the center and that angle is at the circumference. So this angle here is double the angle at the circumference. Now we can see that this angle is going to be 220 degrees because angles round a point add up to 360. So this is what you need to do to solve the question. First of all, the angle around a point sums to 360. So this one here becomes 220, this angle here. And then the angle at the center of the circle is double the angle at the circumference when it's subtended by the same arc, which these two angles are. They have the same arc that are underneath them. Okay, so because of that, that angle there is going to be half of what the angle is in the middle, and that's why it's 110 degrees, half of 220. And that's how you do that. Any questions, just leave them in the comment section below.